Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Mirage LS hatch. Stock reference number 4731. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 and is the current shape. It's got a 3A92 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 3A92 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround. Left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has 5 small dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has a few dents along the bottom edge. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 5 small dents. Right power door mirror. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a black and purple cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.